In this video, I'll show you how to find an EV charging station on Google Maps. Now, it's really easy and simple to do this. Make sure you do have your Google permissions turned on. So you can click on this to make sure Google has your location, right? And then all you need to do is come here, click on search Google Maps right here, the search bar at the top left. And then I just want you to type in here, EV charging station or EV charging stations near me, right? That is also a valid search term. Now, Google will do its thing and provide you with charging stations near you. So here we have a ChargePoint charging station, we have Blink, we have a Tesla supercharger right here, right? Ampop. So we have a lot of different options we can work with, as you can see right here. Okay. And it's really that easy and simple.